Hi, this is Jill. I'm coming to you this afternoon, and I was going to do an unboxing of this package that I got from 1407 Planners, and I believe it is my B6 cover that I ordered last week. They were cover that they gave away at their Planner Jam a few months ago, and they had been selling what they had left over off after Planner Jam, and I kept putting it off getting one, and then they sold out. And then I happened to check, I believe it was last Friday, and there were two left. They found two somewhere, and they were back in the shop, so I hurried up and picked one up. And so that's what's in this package right now, and I'm going to open it up and see what is in here. Like I said, this is a B6 cover, and it's a faux leather, I believe. I'm not sure if I can actually get it out of the package since I'm doing this one-handed, but we'll give it a try. I just love the colors of this. The pink and black together just look awesome. And I hadn't been using my B6 because I've been having so much fun using some of my smaller planners, but with this cover I might just go back to the bigger cover. It's very durable. It's a faux leather. It has a card pocket here, and then a secretarial pocket and a full pocket here. Comes with 4 strings, and then the other side also has the full pocket, the secretarial pocket, and the card pocket, and it does have a pen loop also. So I will be putting my B6 inserts in here and getting this set up. Of course, it does have the Fiona on the spine. And it also came with some freebies. So let's see. Some of the Jelly Beans planners. Jelly Beans planner things. I think you stick these like underneath the strings here at the bottom. And of course it came with a Fiona paper clip. I think I've got at least one in every color. And ooh, an ice cream cone. Die cut. So that is what I received today, and like I said, I will be putting my B6 inserts in here, and once I get that set up I will go in and do a flip through once I get it all set up and ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll join me again whenever I come back and do either a plan with me or a flip through. So we'll talk to you later. Everybody have a good weekend.